All right, so the battery died on my wife's car, and I just figured we'd go through battery replacement in a modern car like this 2019 Nissan Kicks. When the battery goes, you'll know, because it won't start, but you also probably get the Christmas tree effect, which is, well, we can't even get there. Not enough power to detect the key. Assuming the key was detected, you might get a Christmas tree effect of pretty much every light coming up on here, even if it attempted to start, because what happens is with the low voltage, the computer gets all confused and mixed up and thinks various systems aren't working, so you get that effect. So we're just gonna pop the hood and get out there and replace that battery. All right, so we got the hood open, we're looking at the battery. First step is going to be to undo the T40 Torx 40 bolt down here that holds the battery tie down. So let's get that off. The battery is just held in place by this clip. Put that aside. And next, we undo the battery terminals. We're going to start with the negative side. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. I find that most modern cars these days, especially the compacts, are 10 millimeters. So undo that. And wiggle that off. Put that aside and do the positive side. Now we can haul out the old battery. Now we got our brand new Kirkland battery. By the way, these are a steal compared to anywhere else. It's only $149 Canadian at Costco. Canadian Tire wanted, I think, $280 for their cheapest one. Napa wanted $399. The dealer wanted $500. So these are an absolute deal comparatively. We're gonna pop off the protective covers from transport. Actually, before I do the positive, I'm gonna throw that battery jacket back on. This little sort of insulating jacket. You can transfer that from the old to the new. Now, good practice if you have one is to use one of these battery cleaning tools to clean up the connector and the post. These are brand new, but they still got a bit of like crap and oxidization on them, so it's good to clean them up. These are super cheap, so they're easy to grab. And now, starting with the positive side, we're going to put the clamps back on. And as a quick tip, whenever you have battery terminals exposed, make sure you don't have anything metal that can lay across both of them. It'll arc, it'll explode, all sorts of bad things will happen. And now negative. And now the last step is to put the hold down back in place. All right, now let's shut the hood and see if she starts. Much better. Now, if you got your battery from pretty much any auto parts store or place that sells batteries, really, you probably paid a core charge. So take your old one back and get that money back. Thanks for watching.